Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a simple reboot using the power menu, and we also have forced restart. Let me show you both methods. Let's begin with the reboot. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu first, and we do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart button. After that your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and everything will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, the forced restart, this method is recommended, for example, when your device is lagged or frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and you cannot do anything. Once I had a situation that my phone lagged, I couldn't do anything, and I have performed a forced restart and everything started working properly. When it comes to forced restarting, all we need to do is to hold the power button until phone turns off. So simply keep holding. Don't worry that the Gemini pops out on your screen. It happens, so simply keep holding. When the phone vibrates, you can release your finger. You can see that the DOOGEE logo appeared, and now we just need to simply wait until phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.